So, hello and welcome to this course on real life case studies on machine learning. So, this is a very different kind of course as compared to other courses available online. This course is basically made in order to make your hands dirty and in order to get you an experience on the real world case studies using machine learning. So there are many courses around the web for machine learning, which will actually teach you the algorithms, which will actually teach you the basics. But after learning the basics, there is a lot of difference when you come into the real world to implement the basically to implement the real life case studies, because when you talk about the data into the practice environment and the data in the real world, there is a lot of difference. The data in the real world is a lot messy. There are lots of missing values. A lot of feature engineering, feature selection has to be done, and a lot of model tuning has to be done, right? So that is why we decided to make a course comprehensive, only dedicated to application based machine learning. So that's why we have made a course for 12 real life case studies for machine learning, and it actually covers 6 real life case studies for regression, 6 real life case studies for classification, right? So we'll be seeing retail store prediction, restaurant sales prediction, inventory prediction for optimum inventory management, tube assembly pricing for optimum manufacturing management, coal production estimation, and sports player salary prediction in the regression chapters, right? Or the regression group. In the classification group, I will be teaching you diabetes prediction in the healthcare or in the preventive care section, then telecom network disruption prediction for basically for preventive maintenance planning, then breast cancer prediction, credit card fraud detection, heart disease prediction, and predict whether a customer will sign a loan or not with a financial company. So a whole lot of things will be covered in this course. So I hope this course will be very useful to you, and I will definitely suggest you to go for this course, because after learning the basics of machine learning, you should have a complete understanding on how machine learning and data science is applied on messy real world data sets or on messy real world problems, right? So in this course, you'll get a complete idea of how it is done, right? And this course will also help you to build your own portfolio. So now who are we? We are Cosmics. Professionally, we are entrepreneurs with over 6 years of experience in finance, tech, real estate, right? So we are trained in mobile app development, web development, artificial intelligence, and finance. So in our course, you will find a mix of theory and practical. So we basically cover the theory, and then we make practical videos which will actually give you real life examples and will make you experience the real life part of whatever you have learned in the theory, so that you just don't restrict yourself learning theories. You get ready of the real world problems you will face when you come out of in the real world, either in a job or either in a business, after doing this course, right? So what are you waiting for? Go click the buy button and let's meet inside the course, and let's start the interesting journey and exciting journey of machine learning with its application and case studies. So see you inside the course. Thank you so much.